Heat pump water heater upgrades in new home construction cut water heating energy use dramatically while offering long-term cost savings. A heat pump water heater works by extracting ambient heat and transferring it into the storage tank rather than relying on direct electric resistance or burning fuel. So start by choosing a unit size to match your household hot water demand, calculate peak hourly usage, and multiply by a safety margin of 20% to avoid short cycling. Place the unit in a conditioned or semi-conditioned mechanical room with at least 1,500 cubic feet of air volume, or ensure there is dedicated ducting so the heat pump has adequate air for efficient operation. Provide clearance around the unit as specified by the manufacturer, typically 12 inches on the sides and 24 inches on top, so service access is easy and airflow is unimpaired. Plan for condensate management by routing condensate to a floor drain or a condensate pump, and include a trapped cleanout to prevent blockages during long construction waits. If replacing an electric or gas tank directly, check whether the existing electrical circuit meets the new unit's requirements and whether a higher ampacity is needed, and confirm that the utility or local code allows hybrid installations where applicable. Finally, research available incentives and rebates at the state and utility level, document eligibility requirements early in the project, and apply before final inspection to capture available savings. 3 common issues come up during installation, and there are simple fixes to each. Incorrect sizing causes poor temperature recovery and frequent cycling, so verify peak hour usage and choose a unit with a matching recovery rate or add a slightly larger tank to buffer demand. Poor airflow or cramped location drives down efficiency, so provide a room with adequate volume or install supply and return ducts with simple, insulated, flexible duct runs to the nearest conditioned space. Condensation problems lead to water damage, so always route condensate to an appropriate drain, install a condensate pump for sealed spaces, and slope horizontal runs to prevent standing water. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and contractors find jobs by listing projects and connecting people through our platform. We also host a discussion community where we share practical installation tips, contractor experiences, and local incentive knowledge to support smarter heat pump water heater upgrades.